This is how the sageo comes when you buy it. It's on there tight and it's perfect looking. Let's take it apart. Now you gotta keep in mind that the sageo cord was meant as a tool, so nothing has to be neat about it. It is a utility, as you can use it to hold up your sword or tie it to your back, and much, much more. Well, now you might be asking, how are we gonna put it back together? Well, firstly, take your sageo and put it halfway through the karigata. Then fold it across and over towards where the mune, or the dull side of the blade, would be in the saya. I put my finger right next to the karigata and wrap the sageo next to it and around the saya. When I get back around to where I started, I slide it under the cord and then I use that finger to help get it through. That leaves us with a little loop. Make sure to leave everything loose to give us room to work. We'll tighten everything up later. Tip: use a chopstick or something similar to keep your progress, like I am doing here. I'll repeat this process 2 to 3 more times on both sides. This should leave us with a total of about 6 to 8 loops around the saya. I've got both sides done here. Now let's get the ends here of the sageo secured. I'll take the end here and fold it over. I then slide this all the way through the little loops that we just made. And then same for the other side. Now that we have everything roughly where it needs to be, let's clean it up and make it look nice. Keep in mind for this part that you start from the kurigata and work away from it to keep it tight. One side, then the other. First pull down on the sageo on the ura side of the saya, while I am pulling up on our little loops that we made. Then I pull away from the kurigata on the section of the sageo that is in between our little loops and the kurigata. It looks like it's going sideways compared to the rest of the sageo for reference. Finally, take our 2 little bunny ears and pull them tight to cinch everything up. And there we have it. If you have any questions on this, shoot us an email or leave a comment. If you follow along too, go ahead and take a picture and share it with us. We'd love to see it.